Hey, what's going on, guys? It is ISP Mask, the Mask Artist. And first thing I want to say is Happy New Year to everyone. Yeah, 2022, oh boy, that's going to be a start of a new year. And so far, I'm very excited for my ongoing project. Yeah, everyone knows, Project Genki Dama. That's still going to be a project that's now just going to be 4 more years into the making. Also, I know for like a long time, I've been putting off my Patreon page. I just keep pushing it back saying, am I going to come out with new tier lists? I finally have, which I'm going to discuss in the tier lists right now. So for tier number 1, you get my sincere thanks and my motivation to continue doing what I'm doing, which is pretty much, like uploading on YouTube, coming out with, my process on how my projects are doing. Yeah, so yeah, that's tier 1. For tier number 2, which is a silver tier, you guys get your names at the end of my monthly videos that I do. I come out with one special video every month where it's regarding if it's a animation video, a how to draw video, a sketch video, a convention review video, or a trip to the Nintendo store where I just buy something for myself. So ranging from one of those, you guys get your name featured at the end of those videos. For tier number 3 is a gold tier. You'll not only get your name featured much more bigger than the silver tier Patreons, but you'll also get your name shouted out by me. But I've met a lot of fans through my convention experience, and I wanted to do something special for those fans and also new fans that found my channel by accident. So I decided to come up with 2 extra tiers. For the $10 tier, which is a Pokemon card tier. This is pretty much how they look. It's special. It's blank. It's basically a special one of a kind custom made Pokemon sketch card that I love to do during conventions. These are very, very popular among the kids. So I decided to continue that throughout the year though. So with this tier, you can choose which Pokemon that I draw, and it gets shipped to you, and then you're like, hey, cool, I get a custom Pokemon card. Whoa there, kitty. One thing though, if you're just gonna comment down below, but you're not gonna be part of the Pokemon card tier, don't even bother typing because your comment's just gonna get ignored. The only comments that I'll be paying attention to is to those who've actually pledged to the Pokemon tier. You just leave your name at the bottom, and then you also request which Pokemon I should draw for that month. Also, if let's say if there was a tie between, like, somebody wants, I want you to draw Charizard this month, well, I want a Mewtwo this month. In the end, I'll have the final say of which Pokemon I'll draw that month. You guys have to be a Pokemon tier list member in order for you to even suggest or make a request for which Pokemon I draw for that month. And also by becoming a Pokemon tier member, you also get the gold tier as well, where you'll get your name shouted out at the end of my monthly video. But let's say, yeah, you like Pokemon, but you're not really a diehard Pokemon fan. And you're more of a... It's time to You're more of a duelist, So I also have a Yu-Gi-Oh tier as well, where any duel monster, I can also sketch draw that custom duel monster on a custom-made Yu-Gi-Oh sketch card. And you also get that sent to you, and you also receive the gold tier status as well. So pretty much I'm going to have two specific ones. One for Pokemon and one for Yu-Gi-Oh, where you can pretty much, again, you can only make a request if you are a Yu-Gi-Oh tier card member. Just leave your name and which duel monster you want. As always, if it's like a tie between 2 Yu-Gi-Oh tier members, in the end, I'll have the final say of which duel monster gets sketch drawn for that month. So that's pretty much it. That's how I wanted to start off this brand new year. I'm really looking for hardcore Patreon fans of me. And, aside from, like all the hard work that I'm doing, I'm also working a day job as well. So, you know, I'm returning from my job. I'm still drawing no matter what. I feel like I'm like the hardest working artist out there. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That I wanted to let you guys know about my 2022 Patreon page. I'm SP Mask, and thanks for stopping by.